Yo, where the f
Hey,
is J-Lo?
y'all seen J-Lo?
Where you
Where-
at?
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video. You know what I'm saying? And well, I'm gonna put a picture on screen for y'all. This picture right here really upset me earlier, and it only upset me because if you run those numbers on Google, you'll come to find out that that is not a 350 engine that's in the car. That is a 305, and we got ripped off. So with that being said, you know what I'm saying, we're still gonna go ahead with the engine removal. I'm gonna get under here and show y'all what we got stuck with yesterday. So if you look, we were trying to separate the flywheel thing. I forgot the name of that, but we're trying to separate the two, and because the engine won't spin because it's locked, it's almost impossible to get to the last bolt. The last one is up in there. I don't know if you can see, I doubt you'd be able to see, but it's up in there, and I can't rotate the engine, so I have to finesse a 15 in there and try to loosen it up, and it's not been going successful. It took me about 2 hours yesterday, and I have it loose. I just can't get it out. So we're gonna continue with that today, and also try to identify this transmission to see which transmission this is. Depending on which transmission this is, we may be able to just buy an engine and be cool with it, but we got to figure that out first. So let me get on that. All right, man, so I just did some research. I looked under at the transmission to see what transmission it was, and if I'm not mistaken, it's the earlier version of the 4L60 LE. So I think that is it, the 700R. As far as the motor, they have direct replacement engines like Summit, I think, sells them. There's a couple other places that sell them. They want an arm and a leg for them rebuilt. So I'm just looking at other avenues, and I may just end up LS swapping it with an automatic transmission. It's a GM vehicle, if I'm not mistaken. They already sell brackets to mount the motor to. It would just be figuring out the drivetrain. They sell the motor and transmission kits, so it would just be really the drive shaft that would need to be figured out between the two if I were to go that route, which I probably will go that route, but I would have to figure that out first. I'm gonna contact a few people to see what I can come across and see what I can find. We will be doing an engine swap on this bad boy, so I'm excited, I'm hyped. I hope y'all are too, because this is about to be interesting. This is something I've never done. We still got the hood off from yesterday. I was still trying to go under and disconnect that bolt from the flywheel, but couldn't get it. So I think I'm gonna call it for tonight. Go in, do some research to see what's needed for a swap, and start ordering parts, because I'm ready to get this bad boy on the road so I can get to rolling. Be out here busting tails. I was finna cuss, but I'm trying to keep it PG. Be out here giving it to them. So that's all I got for y'all today. I know this was relatively short. I just wanted to record it, you know what I'm saying? Keep y'all up to date with what I got going. And love y'all. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. And it's your boy J-Lo signing off this guy. Peace.
Day 2.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Lo here. Back again with another video. Today we back with the Vet. I don't know if y'all know, but this hood is freaking huge. It weighs something that I cannot lift myself. Of course, evenly distribute the weight. So waiting on some reinforcements to come through and help me out with that. Y'all see I messed up the hood. I chipped it with that bad boy right there. So I'm not on, I can't talk. I don't want to do any more damage, so I'm gonna wait for backup to get that bad boy off. I have to get under here and undo the power steering pump. I think that's the only other line that's connected. I got a little Ziploc bag and some zip ties. I'm gonna put it around the end of the transmission. I'll get under and show y'all, but put it around the transmission so the fluid will stop leaking. Since y'all saw it last, of course, I got the exhaust off. I think this is called a C-beam. Right here is called a C-beam. And when I tell y'all, I caught hell getting that bad boy out, but I finally got it out, so I'm just gonna put it around that piece right here that's leaking off the back of the transmission. Gonna take that bad boy out. I have to undo electrical connectors or whatever just to make sure nothing gets damaged. Seal that up, undo the power steering pump, get the starter down that's hanging, and then also, I think there's one more transmission line I gotta get to too. So we got a busy day ahead of us, but once we get to that point, we can literally pull the engine out. I am kind of scared because y'all can see storm clouds are rolling through, so at any given point I got to be ready to drop what I'm doing and pack up. So let's do it. What's up YouTube, it's your boy J-Lo here again, back again with another video. And today we back with the vet. Today, before we leave or do anything, this engine is coming out. That's the only game plan and objective for today, is to make sure the 305 that's in here comes out. As you can see here, I kind of finessed a little rig to take the hood off, because I don't know if y'all know, but this mug is heavy. So I got 2 tow straps. I can probably adjust them to make it a little bit more safe, but I also got a metal chain here, and I'm just gonna hook the corners of this all to the chain in one loop, and then connect that chain to this one to take the hood off. That way we can get the hood off and get the engine exposed. To my understanding, the last thing that's left connected to the engine is motor mounts and the electrical system. So I'll check in with both of those. That's what we're getting into today. So let me go ahead and finesse this hood off and we'll get moving. So I'm in the process of disconnecting the little things that need to be disconnected beforehand, and I just made a very interesting discovery. Let me show y'all. I hope the camera can pick that up. That's a monster transmission, rebuilt transmission. So that's very interesting, and I say that because these are known for, of course, being able to hold high horsepower or whatever. So I'm honestly not sure what all has been done to it, but I may just use that as collateral to put towards the new motor that's going in here, or I may keep it because these can mount to an LS1. There are complications with mounting it, but there are avenues around those complications. So maybe, but I found that interesting. I'm gonna go back to securing the transmission with ratchet straps as well, and then we're gonna try to pull all of this out. Worst case scenario, we may have to move some things around. We may have to take some of the assembly drive options off in order to get that out, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. So we just about got this bad boy out. I got a power steering line that's still connected that I've been fighting. And weirdly enough, I don't know why Harbor Freight did this to your boy. You see they got a 13, 14, 15, and 17. They skipped the 16, and that's what I needed to take that bad boy off. So that's all I'm currently fighting right now. You see my hair doing kind of what I want to do too, but this bad boy is almost out. Once I get that power steering off, I'm sure there'll be a few more loose connections I have to take loose, but this bad boy is almost out. So yeah. As y'all can see, man, engine is out, transmission is out. I didn't realize this, but as you seen in the previous clip, this is a monster transmission, rebuilt transmission. So I am going to clean that up and probably sell that to get the funds in order to go towards the car. Looking at the car now, you can see that mug is empty and ready for a new motor. So when we get to that point, we'll get to that point. But that's all I got for y'all today. I love y'all. I know I ain't do much talking. It was mostly time lapses, but I was determined to get the mug out. You see it's out. That's all that matters to me. Job complete for the day. I'm finna kick back with my girl and enjoy the weekend. Love y'all. Hold it down. It's your boy J-Lo signing off. God, peace.